Every new GMC Terrain looks clean for about a week. Then the clutter, rolling groceries, annoying auto stop, and exposed cargo start killing the vibe. These underrated accessories fix real daily headaches without flashy mods. All product links are in the video description, so you can check them out anytime. Number 8 is the LUWU Lower Center Console Organizer. This thing is small but clutch. It is molded specifically for the 2025 and 2026 GMC Terrain, so it drops right in and looks factory. The TPE material feels solid, not cheap, and it is moisture resistant, which is great for spills. Multiple compartments make coins, keys, and wallets easy to grab without digging. Reviews love how quiet it is thanks to the rubber liner, and cleaning it is literally a quick wipe. Number 7 is the Powoq Trunk Organizer Mat. If your cargo area gets wrecked by groceries, pets, or gear, this mat is a lifesaver. Made from tough TPE, it handles mud, water, snow, and oil without cracking in heat or cold. The non-slip surface keeps things from sliding around, and it fits the terrain perfectly. Owners like that it installs in seconds and rinses clean with water, while still keeping the trunk looking new. Number 6, the Mingrui Auto Start-Stop Eliminator is a total game-changer for daily driving. It automatically disables the engine auto-stop system every time you start your 2025 or 2026 GMC Terrain, so you are not dealing with constant shutoffs at red lights or stop signs. That means your air conditioning stays cold, your music and dash camera keep running, and your drive feels smooth and predictable. Reviews consistently mention 0 error codes and full compatibility with remote start. Built with heat-resistant, flame-retardant materials, it helps reduce unnecessary engine and battery wear. Installation is plug and play behind a few panels, and once it is in, you never have to touch that annoying button again. The SKTU cup holder insert is a simple but smart upgrade for the 2025 plus GMC Terrain. It fits directly into the factory cup holder with a clean OEM-style look. The ABS plastic feels sturdy, while the rubber lining keeps drinks steady and reduces rattling. A small built-in tray is perfect for coins, cards, or lip balm, preventing small items from getting lost. Number 4 is the LUMWAY Cargo Mat with backrest and door sill protection. This is full coverage, not just a basic liner. The TPE material handles all seasons without smelling in hot weather, which is a big win. Deep channels and raised edges keep spills contained, and the anti-slip design keeps cargo stable. Installation is simple, and reviews praise how well it protects the rear seats when folded down. Number 3 is the TrunkNets Cargo Net. Simple idea, huge payoff. This envelope-style net keeps groceries, luggage, and sports gear from rolling all over the cargo area. It uses durable polypropylene with extra stretch, so it holds bulky or fragile items without sagging. Installation takes seconds using factory mounting points, and it folds flat when not in use. Owners love how it instantly makes the trunk more organized. Number 2 is the Volcaner Cargo Cover. Privacy matters, and this cover does it right. It fits the 2025 and 2026 Terrain perfectly and adds an extra non-retractable cover to eliminate gaps. The aluminum alloy frame with carbon fiber texture looks sporty, not cheap. It blocks sunlight, reduces interior heat, and protects your stuff from prying eyes. Reviews highlight the 1-second, tool-free install and solid build quality. Number 1 is the Muslogy Center Console Organizer. This is the cleanest, most OEM-looking tray on the list. Designed using 3-dimensional laser scan data, it fits like it came from the factory. The ABS tray with PVC mats keeps everything organized, quiet, and waterproof. It creates hidden storage underneath while keeping daily items easy to reach. Owners consistently praise the perfect fit and zero-tool installation. If you want a cleaner, quieter, and more practical GMC Terrain, these accessories are straight-up no-brainers. All the product links are in the video description, so check them out there. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more terrain upgrades.